Because given that you have 8 hours, time is money, you have to achieve it. You're always running against time to achieve those shots. So you have to take it for granted that everybody is trying to get this done as soon as possible, as fast and as efficiently as possible. Now, like you said, there are 50 factors that contribute to a single shot, and all 50 have to be on point. If one link is not working or one cog in the wheel is not working the way it's supposed to, everything will come to a standstill. So everybody is just going by the assumption कि जैसे ये ये issue sort out हुआ, हम लोग shot ले लेंगे. Everybody is trying to get it done as soon as possible.
But there's different answers. Yeah.
So therefore, everybody is giving their own time frame. But I'll tell you, जब भी कोई 15 minutes बोलता है ना, and I also use it. Sir, आपको ready होने में कितना time लगेगा? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the biggest lie.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, but if you all understand, then it's good. Okay, superstar, I've got a rapid fire for you.
Oh, lovely. Here we are.
Yeah. The first one.
The dreaded
Eminem,
rapid fire.
Yeah, Eminem or Snoop Dogg? Yeah, I got you. Sunil Chetri 1, Ranveer Singh 0. There is nothing rapid about this answer. Come on, Eminem or Snoop Dogg?
Oh, Eminem.
If that gave you a problem, this will kill you. LeBron James or Michael Jordan?
I have a very funny Snoop Dogg story, Sunil, where you must ask me later.
Go on, please go on.
No, rapid fire.
Okay.
Rapid fire, rapid होना चाहिए.
LeBron James or Michael Jordan?
Pass.
Third one. One song that defines your life or personality the best?
मेरी पैंट भी sexy.
Oh, I love that song.
गाओ.
मेरी पैंट भी sexy, मेरी shirt भी sexy, ये रुमाल भी sexy है, समझ रहे हैं?
क्या बात है, launch करो.
90s kid. That's what I told you. Govinda was yeah. Okay, the next one. What gives you goosebumps?
What gives me goosebumps?
Yeah.
Moments in cinema, moments in sports, and some unmentionable things also. But
Good one. Good one. Okay. In one word, describe Bombay.
home.
The one movie of the 90s you wish you would have done.
वास्तव 90s ही था ना यार.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah. 50 tola, of course.
I know. You are such a filmy buff, Skipper.
I know.
Do this.
Now I have stopped. I mean, sadly, before that I used to do a lot of movies. और काम क्या था? Cricket देखना, movies और बाहर खेलना. Of course. Yeah. Okay, the next one. You have 1 hour over coffee with any sports personality, past or present. Who are you picking?
Muhammad Ali.
Wow. That's a straight answer. That's a good one. Are you a boxing fan or are you a Muhammad Ali fan?
I'm just a huge sports fan, Skipper. The reason I picked Muhammad Ali is because the conversations then wouldn't be restricted to just sport. You know, here you have an athlete who stood for something that is larger than boxing, that is larger than sports. He was an icon at many levels. Somebody who stood for something, who had the fortitude to fight for what he believed in. He made some history-altering decisions in his life, and I have a great amount of admiration for that kind of conviction and that kind of fortitude. And I feel like he'll, with his kind of wit and humor and his gregarious nature, it would be a memorable evening. Therefore, Muhammad Ali.
Yeah, and I think the way you say these things, 1 hour won't be enough for all your questions. Okay, so now that takes me to the 6th question now. I have got serious feedback of what I'm going to ask you now. Okay, I've got footages also. So think twice before you lie. Okay, and I really want you to be honest because I know you're an honest guy. Your opponent, Deepika Padukone, on badminton court does not give you more than 3 points. And after the game, listen, after the game, your opponent said, quote, he only gets 3 points because I respect the fact that he is Prakash Padukone's son-in-law. Comment, please.
Baby! Baby!
तो जो 3 पॉइंट के लिए आप खुश हो रहे थे, वो 3 पॉइंट भी आपको खैरात में मिलते हैं, गिफ्ट में.
एक्सपोज कर रही है तू मुझे.
ESPN Star Sports is waiting for your. Yeah, great. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. We need a comment. Come on.
Skip. अब मैं क्या बताऊं? मुझे लगा यार मैं तो एथलेटिक बंदा हूँ. मैंने भी खेला बड़ा बैडमिंटन बचपन में, नानी के घर में, कंपाउंड में, गाड़ियों.
ढल गया दिन टुक हो गई शाम टुक जा.
तो मैंने सोचा यार मतलब ठीक है.
You look embarrassed, man. You look embarrassed.
If you think this is an embarrassed look, you should see my face when I'm on the court and she doesn't let me in a 21-point game. She doesn't. I think the maximum I've scored is 5 or something. Kabhi to I don't get off the mark. I thought firstly though she's been out of practice and that I'm basically an athletic guy, so I'll be able to keep up and maybe she'll win, but I'll put up a good fight. ये जो मतलब मेरा हाल करती हैं. I realized that it's not just it is about the skills of putting the shuttlecock wherever you want to, and yeah, I didn't realize that there'd be such a vast gulf between my abilities and hers. So that is one aspect of my life that I really want to get better at is badminton. So I'm able to at least not be a complete washout, a complete embarrassment on the court.
And next time when you get a point, you'll be thinking, यार इसने मुझे इसलिए दिया है कि मैं सर का दामाद हूँ या इसलिए दिया कि मैंने अर्न किया है. You always be thinking now.
You don't believe all these things that she says, huh? Like I'm only giving him 5 points, 8 points because he's Prakash Padukone's son-in-law. He is ruthless. एक दिन तो मैंने बोला बेबी मेरा दिल रखने के लिए कुछ 2-3 पॉइंट एक्स्ट्रा दे देती मुझे. I'm out of frustration. I'm whacking the shuttlecock. Prakash Padukone, my wonderful father-in-law, has gifted me Yonex वाले fancy वाले rackets. इसलिए मैं racket नहीं तोड़ता हूँ क्योंकि sentimental value है. लेकिन वो मेरा बस चले तो मैं भी वो भी तोड़ दूँ. इतना embarrass करती है मुझे. She is not letting up any point. She takes the game seriously, and if she could beat me 0 every game, she'd do that. She is ruthless when she's on the badminton court. जो हाल किया है ना मेरा, लेकिन skipper मैं वादा करता हूँ Instagram लाइव पे 11 और 10 पे ये मेरा वादा है कि मैं हार्ड वर्क करूंगा और एक ना एक दिन मैं 21 पॉइंट गेम में 10 क्रॉस करके दिखाऊंगा.
चलो, that's a good one and it's on record now. Good. So staying with your Deepu, the next question is, I'll put you on a pedestal now. At the same time, just another second, I'll put you on a very sticky, slow wicket. So look for this question. The first part of the question is, the best thing that she thinks or remembers Ranveer when they started going around is that Ranveer Singh was so passionate and so considerate that from wherever she came after a shoot, he will have the flowers that she likes at home or with him in the car, lying that I'm in the gym but coming to pick her up, and without fail, every time if they are shooting outside, come and drop by with those flowers just to say hi, just to see her and say, you know what, all the best and go back. all these things, when she was telling me, she was fondly remembering it, and she enjoys about you the most. What do you want to say? How was those times when you were just friends, and then you were on a period where you're trying to woo her? How much hard work were you putting in? How naturally was it coming? And how were those days? Because she very fondly remembers them.
All the young gentlemen who have tuned into this live chat, देखो और सीखो, ये होता है पटाना, ये होता है पैंतरा. Basically, I knew that she loved flowers, and she loved lilies in particular. और मैं skip, about 6 months into dating, I knew that she was the one, and I wanted her to be mine for life. So I was very, very diligent about courting her and wooing her. So yes, every time she'd come, there would be flowers, and I would make ridiculously compressed trips to go and meet her if she was shooting somewhere else. So in a nutshell, you could say that I worked very hard in trying to get her to consider marrying me. And I remember there was this one time where I was talking to my dad, and we were in the office together going over some stuff, and he turned around to me and he said, "Do you realize how much money you're spending on flowers?" So I was like, "Papa, आप पेशेंस रखो, हजारों जा रहे हैं, लेकिन लक्ष्मी के अवतार में एक छप्पड़ फाड़ के आपको इसका रिटर्न मिलने वाला है, आप टेंशन मत लो."
So all the people, because I've got a part B of this question. So everyone who is going, "Oh, Ranveer, how sweet," only me and Deepika know what's coming next. So after listening to all the good things that Ranveer has done, when he was trying to woo Deepika, he promised that, "Baby, one day मैं अपने हाथों से तुम्हें खाना बना के खिलाऊंगा." और वो दिन आज तक नहीं आया, और आपकी बीवी जान अभी तक परेशान है इस बात को लेकर. कहती है खाना बनाने के लिए मदद करने तो आता है, कुछ प्याज व्याज काट देता है, लेकिन आज तक लिलीज आ गए, फ्लावर्स आ गया, सब प्यार व्यार आ गया, शादी भी हो गई, पर एक बंदा था जिसने प्रॉमिस किया था कि बेबी मैं तेरे को अपने हाथों से खाना बना के खिलाऊंगा. वो दिन आज तक नहीं आया. थैंक यू सो मच.
पर मैं दीपिका को और मेरे इन-लॉज को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए बोल रहा था. जब मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में होता था ना, तब मैं बटर चिकन बनाता था और मेरे घर के बाहर लाइन लग जाती थी. पाकिस्तानी बच्चे, बांग्लादेशी बच्चे, दिल्ली के लौंडे सब मेरे घर आते थे, बोलते हैं रणवीर भाई बटर चिकन बनाओ. मेरे बटर चिकन का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. बाद में बातों में बात निकल आई कि वो चीटिंग वाली बटर चिकन थी. वो जो रेडीमेड मसाले मिलते हैं ना, उनको मिला के मैंने बनाया. तो फिर मतलब मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत 30 मार का हूँ, बटर चिकन वगैरह बना रहा हूँ. सब बोल रहे हैं, मदर इन लॉ भी बोल रही है यार बटर चिकन बना लेता है. बाद में आई रियलाइज दैट इफ यू यूज द रेडीमेड पैकेज देन इट डजंट रियली काउंट. सो if I can't do that, then what am I really left with? I'm only left with anda bread. So I can only cook eggs. And Deepika is actually very fond of cooking and very passionate, and she's way better than me, so I leave those kitchen duties to her. But I'm a very enthusiastic assistant to her. Whenever she's baking or making me Thai food, especially in this time of lockdown where we've had more time to do these little things, I am a very enthusiastic Santa's little helper. But yeah, I'll leave that to her. लेकिन आपकी बात मुझे मान लेनी चाहिए. बैडमिंटन में नहीं तो कुकिंग में मैं कुछ तो कर सकता हूँ. अंडा तो मैं बना सकता हूँ. आई थिंक कल.
अच्छा, वो अंडे के लिए भी बोल रही है यू कांट इवन मेक एग्स. दोस्त ऐसा करते हैं, सुनो, बहुत बेइज्जती हो रही है एज अ हस्बैंड. एक काम करते हैं, इतने लॉकडाउन में आप इतना इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो, अपने आप को पढ़ रहे हो, थोड़ा सा कुकिंग में ध्यान देते हैं, एक चीज तो बनाते हैं इनके लिए. वरना मैं अगली बार इनको फोन करूंगा, बोलेगी उसने सब कुछ किया, खाना नहीं बनाया मेरे को, तो कुछ तो बनाते हैं इनके लिए.
स्किपर अब तो बात पब्लिक में आ गई है, बैडमिंटन में तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, वो तो छोड़ दो, उसमें तो टाइम लग जाएगा, लेकिन कल सुबह कल मेक एग्स ना, तू रुक क्या,
Show them you can make eggs.
This is a very formal engagement, baby. This is not for informal people